Haven Logistics Center, a wildflower project, doing a broom finish on this concrete slab that was redone with Basecrete. Mixing station up there. We're spreading our material out with the roller. And you can see here, broom finish, just the weight of the broom, no pressure being applied. Just being pulled across the surface, leaving a nice broom finish. Very good. Material gets mixed, spilled out directly onto the slab. Our mixture is a thinner mixture. Blend it in with the existing application. Roll it out. Beautiful sunny day, clear skies, mid-40s. Blessing from above to get this project finished. Work around the sewer caps, and then we get a nice stretch rolled out. Back over it with the broom again. Again, hardly applying any pressure, just using the weight of the broom to leave the broom finish.